1 uthi Paul, a servant of Jesus Christ, called to be apostle. From verse 16. For I am not ashamed of the gospel of Jesus Christ, for it's the power of God unto salvation for everyone that believeth, to the Jew first and also to the Greek. For there is unrighteousness of God revealed from faith to faith, as it is written, the just shall live by faith. 18. For the wrath of God is revealed from heaven against all ungodliness and unrighteousness of men, who hold the truth of God in unrighteousness, because of which they may be known of God is manifested in them. For God hath showed it unto them. For the invisible things of him from the creation of the world are clearly seen, being understood by the things that are made, even his eternal power and Godhead, so that they are without an excuse. Father, bless you when I pray. Amen. We may be seated. Amen. Amen. Sunday, I want to talk about it. I would like to call it the point of no return. The point of no return. Yeah. Why do I speak about the point of no return? A point of return. You come to a place. Amen. Like manje, some of you are 30 years, 40 years, 60, 45, 40, and so forth. Send them below your age. It's a point of no return. You can't go back to your mother's womb because you are at the point of no return. That is physical. But the point of no return in full spiritual. Spiritual. There was a man by the name of Judas Iscariot. You know, he was one of the disciples of Jesus Christ. They will eat together. But there came a time which we call the Last Supper. You know the story I'm just going to narrate to you. Just wants a statement what one of you will dig his hand into the bowl, and when he digs it, that one will uplift his heel against me. Abanye babuza bathi Nkosi yimi na azange batshele kodwa wathi one of you lalela uJesu nakakhipha lamagama abuye wayenza statement lalela uthini uthi I have chosen 12 of you uthi one of you is a devil. Akatsho one wenu unoSathane uthi nginkhetheni 12 kepha oyi-1 wenu uSathane eqobo lakhe. Now uJesu awukhanga enze the statement uthi you are 12 but one of you is the devil himself. After Judas Iscariot betrayed Jesus Christ, after he received the money, then he went back to the Pharisees.